I'm in a different setup today, so just bear with me. I'm using natural light. I did some tie-dyeing. I don't know, I forget what I've recorded and what not, so I'm just going to start with this here. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mikaela, and today I've tie-dyed some items. I wanted to do some tie-dye because it's like right in at the moment, and it's kind of like a home thing to do, like stuff to do at home, and it's kept me entertained yesterday. So I have tie-dyed the pieces. Some of them look really cool, some of them like not that well, but I want to try again. I'm gonna have a go again. I'm gonna get some other pieces and try more like a dark tan, like the tan that I use, like a tan color, and like it's really nice, but I want to make it more dark. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to follow me on all my social medias, especially Instagram, because that is where I have been posting all my content and everything as well, trying to get it all aesthetic. You know, it's really cool. My shout out for this week for a YouTuber is RENEE, Renee Riva. She is one of my best friends here on YouTube, and not just YouTube, just one of my best friends in general. I'm going to leave all her links in the description bar below, and also her Instagram handle and her YouTube just here for you guys. She does amazing makeup, absolutely like incredible. She's done my makeup a couple of times, and oh, the bridal look she done on me, wow, amazing. But yeah, definitely go give her a follow and let her know that I sent you on her YouTube channel. She does some cool content, so definitely go check her out. Okay, so welcome back to my channel, guys. I'm gonna be doing some tie-dyeing for you guys. So yeah, I hope you really like this. I think it's gonna be so much fun. Something just to do while we're in isolation. But I'll show you guys what I've got so far. So I'll show you guys the inks that I've got, or the dye. I've got tan, bronze. Now they didn't have the liquid form of these, so I just got the, like, I think it's like a crystallized stuff. I've got petal pink, and I have evening blue. It is very windy, so it's probably going to be annoying, but I just got some rubber bands, some squirty bottles. I've got dish soap. I've got my water, like jugs of water ready to go. And then what I'm tie-dyeing, I've got everything from like factory and Cotton On. So I've just got like this oversized hoodie. I got some socks. I've got just like a little crop top. I've got a t-shirt. Another little crop top. And some like white joggers as well, 2 pairs of white joggers, and an hoodie as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pre-soak them first, because I've seen so many people do like a pre-soak, and then I'll do the tie-dyeing that way. So yeah, I'm going to take all these tags off and then I'll start. Okay, so what I'm going to do first is I'm going to do the scrunch method. So I've just pre-soaked the outfit, so I'm just going to wrap them in rubber bands. Okay, so now I've got my jug of water. I'm just going to, it just says add a little bit of dish soap. So just add a little bit of dish soap. And then for this set, I'm doing the tan one. So it's like a little sachet. So I'm just going to add some at a time, and then I want to see how it kind of like looks. And I have like a little cloth here, just like a little cloth to kind of just see what it will turn out like. So I kind of want it a little bit darker. Alright, that should be perfect. Then I can start tie-dyeing. So this is what it looks like so far. I'm gonna like take it out of its thing and just check. Open up and have a look. You can take the so I can kind of just see. Oh, that looks cool. See if there's any bits that I've missed, like down here I might just like put a little bit on. Scrunch it up just a bit. So I'm going to stick that back in the bag and tie that up. And that's my first one done. And then, yeah, I'm just going to keep going with the other ones. Okay, so you would have seen me do all my little tie-dye stuff and all that kind of thing. How the pieces came out, the tan one, so I'll show you guys like a little try-on clip, but I think the tan came out pretty good. Like, I think it looks quite, like, it's a pastel tan kind of color, which is awesome. However, I do have, like, you just need to watch, like, with stuff, I did get like a bit of tan, I don't know, like stain on it somewhere, the pink. Don't know how I got that, no idea. But I absolutely love this set. I think it's my favorite color. Like, again, I want to do like a darker tan. And then it's just like the hoodie as well. I wish I didn't get a hoodie. I wish I just got the same one as the pink, which I'll show you. But I don't mind the hoodie. It's something a little bit different, like for different sets. But I'm gonna get like, I'll show you anyway, the other set again and do like a really dark tan one. But overall, I really love how this turned out. The little singlet, like I love the little singlet. However, it just, be careful where you put your rubber bands, guys, because it will go funny in certain areas like that. But again, like I do love how the little singlet came out. I think that's super cute. With the pink set, yeah, like I said, I love this top. I think the pink is so cute. It went like really pastel-y pink. Absolutely love it. I'll show you guys a try on, but I love this top better than the hoodie, so I think I'm gonna get this set again. I got these all from Cotton On, which is, I found like the cheapest kind of place to get them from. You can get them from Boohoo and all that kind of stuff, but and Misguided and Pretty Little Thing, but I just feel like I want to do it. I want to get it done. Like I want to do it and show you guys. So I thought even for Australia, Cotton On's got some really cool stuff, and I love their joggers. Now I will say in the try on clip, I do have a belly, pregnant, so the joggers are a little bit tight, but medium is my size when I was for that oversized fit, so I did get it for when I was going back to not being pregnant. Again, like the pants, they came out really cute. Same pants. Absolutely love how these turned out. I think they're super cute. I love the pastel pink. The socks, oh wait, no, sorry. The crop top came out cute as well. I think the baby pink with this was so cute with the little scallop detail. I think that came out super cute. The socks, not a fan of. Just because they're way too long. I thought they were like that size, like your Nike socks. So I'll probably just wear these for like at home, but I probably won't really like wear them. Maybe with my tracky pants if I want socks on. But yeah, I'm just disappointed of the length of them, but they came out pretty okay. And then for the blue, like again the socks, the blue came out cute on the socks. It's just, again, the length. I'll probably just wear them at home. Or I'll probably give these to Ned, actually, because I just bought him a light blue tracky suit. So, oh, they will go really cute. With the pink ones will go cute with mine. Okay, so that'll be good. But with the blue shirt, I don't know. I just didn't like how it came out. I think I didn't scrunch it enough. And it just went like, it's very like pastel-y blue, which is nice, but like I don't see that much of like a difference in it, if you know what I mean. Like it's very light, very, very light, as you can see, very light, but it's still cute. Something different in my wardrobe, something a bit different. But instead of just a plain like white shirt, I think it will look cute with like some jeans, like rolled up jeans, shorts, which I've got on because those shorts are the only ones that fit me right now, because jeans don't fit with the baby, and like some Air Force Ones and stuff. But overall, I'm actually really happy how it all turned out. I'm pretty pleased. Now I know exactly what I needed to do. What I did as well, I left them overnight. So I did them in the morning and then left them overnight. So this morning I put, I rinsed them each. So the colors all I rinsed. And then I chucked them in the washing machine, like not together, just the pinks and then the tans and then the blues. Like I washed them separately because I wasn't really sure. So if they were going to bleed or not. So that's what I did. And then I let them out to dry, and that's what they turned out. And I'm pretty happy. They're very pastel-y colors. So yeah, I'm going to have another go with the tan and make a darker one. But overall, I had fun. It was so much fun to do. But yeah, I think you should have a go. Like you can get I got the rip dye and stuff from Spotlight and everything, and just find a cheap tracky set and go for gold. I really wanted to do a bleach dye with a shirt that I have here, but I can't find my shirt. I'm not sure where I put it, which is unfortunate, but yeah, it would have looked really cool because it was a like a fake YSL one from Cole and Terry. I thought that would have looked really cool, but can't find it anywhere, so that's unfortunate. If I do find it, I'll do another video, but I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up for me if you enjoyed it. And yeah, I hope you have a lovely day and stay safe in quarantine, guys. Bye.